Staying in Goa is always a special experience. There are plenty of stay options near the beach, from budget hostels to luxury resorts. But some properties truly take your experience to the next level. इस बार हमने डिसाइड किया कि स्टे थोड़ा सा अपग्रेड किया जाए because we had some credit card points to use. And after exploring multiple options, we finally booked our stay at Holiday Inn near the Candolim area. हमने ये स्टे 2 दिन के लिए बुक किया था विद आवर चेक इन scheduled at 2 p.m. As soon as we entered, हमें एक रिफ्रेशिंग वेलकमिंग ड्रिंक दिया गया. चेक इन प्रोसेस काफी स्मूथ था एंड थोड़ी ही देर में वी हेडेड टू आवर रूम. Honestly, I used to think, what's so special about 5-star hotels? Rooms तो सेम ही रहता है, right? But that day completely changed my perspective. As soon as we entered the room, there was this instant premium vibe that you could actually feel. It wasn't just about how the room looked, but कैसे हर चीज़ इतनी thoughtfully placed और डिज़ाइन की गई थी that it made a difference. हर छोटी डिटेल में एफर्ट्स दिख रहा था एंड दैट्स व्हेन आई रियलाइज्ड कि 5 स्टार स्टे सिर्फ रूम नहीं होता, इट्स द होल एक्सपीरियंस. सिंस ये हमारा फर्स्ट 5 स्टार स्टे था, आई वॉज जेन्युइनली एक्साइटेड एंड wanted to document every little detail, from the aesthetics to the overall feel of the room. It just felt different in a way that's hard to explain but very easy to experience. The room had ironing board, and surprisingly एक weight machine भी था, which I did not expect at all. In the washroom, all the toiletries were from Dove, which added to the premium feel. ये छोटी छोटी details ही थी जो मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा पसंद आई, because they actually made the stay feel more comfortable and well throughout. Talking about the breakfast, the spread was honestly huge, with a perfect mix of Indian and international food options. From fresh fruits and bakery items to proper Indian dishes, सब कुछ available था and everything looked super fresh and well presented. One thing I really noticed about 5 star hotels is their service and the way they treat people. हर staff member के face पर एक warm smile था and they were always ready to help. ये छोटी सी चीज लगती है but it actually makes a big difference in your overall experience. हमारे होटल से बीच का डिस्टेंस था सिर्फ 600 meters, जो काफी convenient था for morning walks or sunset views. There is another Holiday Inn in South Goa which is much bigger than this property and it's a proper beach facing hotel. We also decided to take a spa in the hotel because हम काफी travel कर चुके थे. The spa costed us around 6,000 for 2 people और ये spa भी हमारा first time experience था. So we were really excited to try it. We booked a Balinese spa. ये spa traditional Indonesian techniques use करता है with long flowing strokes, gentle stretching and aromatic oils. After 1 hour of the spa, हमने sauna enjoy किया जो completely relaxing था. सोना के बाद एक रिफ्रेशिंग शावर ने एक्सपीरियंस और भी परफेक्ट बना दिया. इट फेल्ट लाइक ऑल द ट्रैवल फटीग और स्ट्रेस एकदम डिसअपियर हो गया था. एंड लेट मी टेल यू, दिस डे वाज ऑलरेडी स्पेशल बिकॉज इट वाज आवर एनिवर्सरी. टू कंक्लूड, अगर आपको चांस मिले, डेफिनेटली एक बार 5 स्टार स्टे एक्सपीरियंस करना चाहिए और अपनी सोच को चेंज करना चाहिए. जैसे मैंने सोचा था कि रूम्स तो सेम ही होते हैं. इट रियली चेंजेस योर पर्सपेक्टिव एंड स्मॉल डिटेल्स मेक ए ह्यूज डिफरेंस. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. बाय एवरीवन.